drops of put it on my skin every day. Put in my hair. I tried to do oil pulling.
I've done that a few times.
It's a bit odd.
Yes.
I love coconut oil.
I do too.
It's so delicious.
I cook with it a lot.
Don't they sell the pepper thing?
I like it with cooking eggs with it, or a quesadilla, or steamed vegetables. What do you like to cook with it?
The big container we had, it was like this size of pepper. Do we?
I used all of it.
Oh,
It's all gone.
it's gone.
But it's gone.
Nothing. There she is.
See?
Today we're broadcasting from Darcy and Hal's kitchen, and we have a genetic anomaly here with Carol Hagen. Carol? And some of her offspring. Yes, and they seem to be all women.
What is up with that?
I don't know.
That is not the Hagen way.
So, Darcy, can you tell us, what was it like to be a woman in the Hagen house?
Powerful.
Powerful.
I always felt powerful.
Did the boys pick up the toilet seat?
They left it up.
They left it up.
They left it up all the time.
All right.
Those little shits.
Thank God. What if they hadn't? They would have pissed all over the seat.
Yeah, you know, that's a good point.
That's right.
Yeah, that is an excellent point. It wasn't really an issue. We weren't used to toilet etiquette in our family.
We did have the pee-pee jar.
Yeah, guys peed in the jar outside, which still happens around here a lot.
Sometimes I pee in a jar.
Really?
Yeah. If you gotta go, you gotta go.
You know, I knew of a woman once who was obsessed with her own excrements and kept all of her waste in jars in storage units around the country, particularly in the Southwest.
Oh my gosh.
A guy that we all knew long ago was dating the sister of this woman, and she was in deep therapy for it. She was just really paranoid about anyone getting a hold of.
Getting a hold of her poop. Oh, that's understandable.
They don't want to flush the toilet because they don't want to get rid of what their wonderful homemade.
I'm really happy getting rid of my poop.